What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to field strip your M&P Shield 45. Now, field stripping is when you tear down your firearm in the most basic way. If you're out in the field and you need to clean it, or getting jammed up or gunked up, and it's just a quick way of tearing it down to clean it when you're out in the field or you're away from a workspace where you can properly tear down your firearm. Now, this is also a very good way of cleaning your firearm. It's not going to miss a whole lot of different things, and you just want to make sure that you clean everything thoroughly and oil everything up properly. So here's the M&P Shield 45. First thing you want to do, eject the magazine. Make sure it's clear. Alright, with it set up like this, now I already do have it oiled up. On the inside, you might not even be able to see it. There's a yellow bracket right below where the slide is. You want to flip that up. It's just not this first piece, this piece down in here. You can't really see because it's dark. Alright, once you have that flipped out, like I said, it is yellow. So when you look down into where the magazine goes, you'll see a little piece of metal. It's kind of shaped oddly, and you'll flip that up. Then you'll come over here, flip this down, release the barrel. As you can see, we moved it forward. You'll be able to slide it off. Once you have that off, you can remove this. And then you'll be able to remove the barrel. So now we have a field strip firearm. What you want to do, kind of oil, put a little bit of oil. You don't want to over oil it, but you definitely need to oil it where the barrel slides, or where the slide will ride on the pistol frame. Now this is just polymer. There's a closer look at this little tab that you need to flip down. You want to oil anything that kind of moves, just put a drop of oil, springs, anything, like I said, anything that will move. Once you have everything cleaned up and oiled up, you can go ahead and reassemble. So, barrel, put that in the slide. This lines up a certain way. On this edge, you'll see this little divot. That's for this end. It's easier if you do this. So slide it into the slide first. And it sits right there. Line everything back up. Slide it back. Put the barrels or slide stop engaged. Flip that forward. Flip that back up. And that is how you field strip a M&P Shield 45. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Take care and have a great day.